Hey, it's the Ranken Road Reporter. I'm at Tech Manufacturing in Wright City with Rich Vaughan, who's the plant manager here. So Rich is an alumni, and Rich, tell us a little bit about how you ended up at Ranken.
Well, I was just looking for a skill that would make me more valuable and find a long-term career, and that's worked out.
Great. And so after you graduated, how did you tell us about your path and how you ended up here and what's your responsibilities now?
Sure. So I started apprenticeship at a tool and die shop as soon as I finished with Ranken, and from there I went to a toolmaker machinist, and then started in Aerospace, become a CNC lead man for a few years, and then from there went to assistant plant manager. And then after that, a few years, I become the plant manager, and then now the operations manager at Tech Manufacturing here, which we're building structural aerospace parts.
Awesome, great. So Tech Manufacturing, you're involved with Ranken with our internship program. How's that working out for you guys?
It's been a home run. Honestly, it's been a home run. With the schedule that they have there and us working with the interns, it's worked out well for both parties, so we can be flexible with the intern schedules so they make some money while they're serving their apprenticeship or internship. And what I like a lot about that, and best I'd say, is with the 8-week on and off, is when they do graduate. It used to be in the days before they were doing that schedule, they almost started over again in a new job, where here they're up and running and almost to speed when they graduate, and also earning a paycheck that whole time and learning and keeping them engaged in the workplace as well as school that whole time. So it's been a really successful program here with up to 18 interns, and most of them now are graduated Ranken, and some of them have moved different positions and got promoted and are doing very well.
That's great. So what would you say your Ranken education did for you?
Well, I'd say it helped me land the jobs. My first job was apprenticeship ahead of others, and also got me the job here in Aerospace, and then beyond that, it helped me set up for promotions. When I applied for the promotions, the Ranken background really helped for that. I wouldn't be sitting here right now without the Ranken background.
So what would you say to a young person who's considering Ranken for their education?
I would encourage them to do it because you could be very successful without going to a 4-year college now and learning the trade at Ranken, and getting a good start in a career with that, as we've shown here with several people, has been very successful and rewarding.
Awesome. Well, Rich, really appreciate your time. Tech Manufacturing, doing great work in the aerospace industry, and we are really hope all the best to you guys. Thanks, Rich.
Thank you. Appreciate it.